I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you.
Alright guys, so we're inside the cockpit of the Ioniq 6. If it isn't obvious already, how cool is this interior? I love this ambient lighting in this Ioniq 6, but it gets a little bit cooler, so check this out. You can actually change the color of the lighting. Let's go with a ice blue. How cool is that? But Hyundai took it a step further, so check this out. You can actually link it with drive modes, okay? And as you can see right now, we're in sport mode, so the ambient lighting turns red. You switch to eco, turns green. Switch to normal, and it turns like that ice bluish color. We're gonna stay in sport mode. Check this out. You can also, if you go here, you go all the way to the top, you can switch it and make it two different colors. So there's actually two different LEDs or ambient lights in this car. So there's one on the top, one on the bottom. Check this out. Boom, top is blue, bottom is green. You could do a mixture of red and orange. You can do teal and green. How cool is that? But I like the fact that I can actually change with the drive modes. I think that's my favorite part. So let's go ahead and get this Ioniq out on the road, show you how it works. As I change drive modes, check this out, watch what happens. Eco, the lights go green as well as the ambient lighting. Go into normal, changes to that blue color, red for sport. How cool is that? It's one of those things that Hyundai didn't need to add, but it's definitely a cool thing that they did add, and I'm glad they did actually. This ambient lighting makes driving this car at night a whole different experience. Now, I know the new Highland Model 3 actually got something similar to this that runs throughout the dash and things like that. I've not seen that yet in person. I've seen a couple videos and things like that, but if it's anything like this Ioniq 6, I'm a big fan. Check out how bitey this sport mode is. Take the turn. This car just wants to go. So what do you guys think about this ambient lighting feature? Is it something that you'd like to start seeing in more and more cars? I mean, it's one of those things that you got to really be here to experience, to appreciate. It absolutely looks stunning in person. Alright, I'm going to pull over here in a second and jump in the back seats. I want to show you guys what the back seats look like as well. First things first, let me switch it to my favorite color. I think this color looks the coolest in my opinion. I mean, how cool is that? Imagine approaching these doors like this. Jumping in. I mean, how cool is that, guys? This car absolutely lights up at night. I love this feature. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Are you a fan of the ambient lighting feature? So overall, guys, I've had this car for about a week and I've really enjoyed my time driving this car. But there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I just wanted to show you this ambient lighting feature of this beautiful Ioniq 6. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.